Yeah. Hi, Winky. Good evening. Are you doing fine? Yeah. Thank you so much. And today we are going to discuss about the payment terms configurations for the customer. Okay. I'm going to share my screen here. You can just see. Yeah. This is the payment terms configurations for customer with cash discount. Okay. In the in the previous session, I have explained about the payment terms configurations for the vendor. Okay, so once again, I will going to give you exact definition of the payment terms. Okay, so payment terms are the conditions that are used between business partners, and these conditions define, okay, due date and also cash discounts for the particular payment of invoices within a certain period of time. Then payment terms are used to calculate the due date and also cash discounts for the particular invoices and also vendors and customers. See, basically the transactions are defined between business partners and also organizations. The transactions are defined between business partners and also customers. The, what we say, transactions are defined between organizations and also vendors, organizational and also customers. Okay, basically here the customer will be the organization and also the vendor will be the organization. In both cases, we can take the customer as a vendor and the vendor as a customer. We can just observe all those things. Then only we would come to know that what is the exact cash discount receive account and cash discount paid account. Okay, so this is very important to remember all these points. You will get some confusion about this one. Okay, what is the confusion here? If you sell the, if vendor sells the material to you, you will get the cash discount. Okay, and the loss is going to bear by vendor only. And at the same time, you are selling the particular material to the vendor only. You have the material and you are selling the material to the vendor. So in that scenario, okay, so you have to pay the cash discount, paid, okay, to the vendor only. Why? Because vendor is buying the material. You will get some confusion on this. Okay, these are the two different scenarios that you need to concentrate on the particular things, like what is the expenses and what is the income. Okay, so based on that only we will going to create the payment terms for the customer and also cash discount paid account and transaction code FS00. You need to be very careful with this one. Okay, so you need to gather the information from the client, and whatever the client says to you, so you will going to fill all those fields with the client data only. Okay, so that would give you more confidence when you do these configurations for the payment terms for customers and also payment terms for the vendors. We have already done with the payment terms configurations for the vendor, and we are going to do configurations about the payment terms configurations for customers with cash discount. Okay, so without cash discount, there is no use for the payment terms. Why? Because when you pay the amount, sorry, when you sell the material to the particular vendor, you will get the some cash discount, or also you will lose the cash discount. Okay, so these are the two types of scenarios that we are facing right now. And payment terms are very important when it comes to the vendors and also customers. Why? Because they are giving the cash discounts and we are giving the cash discounts to the vendors. Okay, that is very important. But so in the interview point of view, they will going to ask you some other questions on the payment terms configurations like that. Okay, so those are what is the baseline date, what is the document date, what is the installment payments, where we can configure all this. They will going to ask you. So in this session, I'm going to explain you about the payment terms for the customers only. Okay, later sessions, I am going to discuss about the payment terms configurations with the installment payments and also cash discounts. Okay, when we have the installments, how much cash discount that will that we're going to get. Okay, so that is very important here. So I'm not going to disturb you. I am moving with this slide. This one is yeah. I'm giving the user ID and password also. Again, it is logging off. I'm giving the user ID and password here. Okay. Yes. See here, what is a transaction code for creation of payment terms for the vendors and also customers? Okay, that is OBB8. So here I am creating payment terms for the customers. SAR, I'm giving SA, sorry, I'm giving SARC here. So here there is an explanation, right? So for 10 days, okay, I'm going to get the 4% cash discount. See here, I'm going to get the 4% cash discount. I mean, vendor will going to get the cash discount. Okay, and just to put comma and here within the 10 days, if vendor pays the amount within the 10 days, and he will going to get the how much percentage? 3% or else a 2% cash discount. Okay, and if he pays within the 30 days, he will not going to get the cash discount. Okay, we can put unit. Okay, yeah, and here in the previous session, that is payment terms for the vendors, I have explained you about the fixed date and also additional months. What is the fixed day here? Whenever you post the invoice on the particular date, from that only, okay, from that only, the cash discount will going to calculate. I mean, system will going to calculate the cash discount. Okay, say here additional months are there, right? So if you give the additional months, so for that only, if you give the payment terms in the vendor master data or customer master data, for the months only, the I mean that will going to pick up. Okay, here you can just see what is the account type. Here there is a customer and there is a vendor. Here we are doing the payment terms for the customer, right? And we are calculate the cash discount for the customers, right? Okay, you can just what we say here, you can just click on the customers or vendors, whatever you want, you can just click. See here, there is a payment block. I mean, payment method default option is there. Okay, what is that block key is there? What is a block key? I will just going to drop down this option. Here there is a free for payment, skip account, blocked for payment, fraud management. So all these are there in the demo server, right? So if you want to block this payment terms, you can just click on the A. Otherwise, it is not at all required. When it comes to the payment method, you can just see EFT payment, check payment, cash payment, and wire payment, transfer payments. Okay, all will be there. It is not at all required to give the payment method also. Why? Because it's a demo server, right? I mean, in the real time, what you need to do, so you will just gather the information from the client, and then you would put those information in these fields only. No issue. Okay, when it comes to the default for baseline date, here you can just see NO default, I mean number default, posting date, document date, entry date. See, I will going to give you the basic example of the posting date. Today is a 01/03/2022. All right. Okay. You can just take the year and date, that is 28/02/2022. That is 28 February 2022. And you have posted one invoice on the date 28/2/2022. Okay. So I mean, from that date only, the system will going to calculate the cash discount for the particular customers and also for the particular vendor. Okay. See here, entry date and posting date is same as we have discussed in the previous session. Then what is the document date? See here, document date is 01/03/2022. I mean 01 March 2022, right? The system will going to calculate the cash discount from this month only. Why? Because we are giving the document date. So system will calculate the cash discounts from starting month only. What is the starting month here? That is March, right? You can just go to this option, that is payment terms. Here for the 10 days we are giving 4% cash discount. Okay, no issue here. Then 20 days we are giving 2% cash discount. Is that right? Yeah. For 30 days there is no cash discount for the vendor. Okay. See, you will get confused. And why you are talking about the vendor? Why? Because we are selling the material to the particular vendor, right? So we need to have some configurations for the customers also, right? For the vendors also. And we are selling the material to the vendor. Definitely he will get the cash discount. I mean, as we got in the payment terms configurations for the vendors. Okay, you can just click on the enter option. Okay, see here, 10 days 4%, 20 days 2%, 30 days unit. Okay, see in the payment terms, you know what, there is a one important option has configured in this SAP system, that is installment payments. What are those installment payments? I will explain you in the coming session only. Okay, next session only we will going to discuss about the installment payment. Okay, go to the save button and here there is a create request, right? What we need to do here, creation of payment terms for the customer. Then go to the save button and save it. We have successfully saved it. If you want to see that one, you can just go to the position and give SARC and click on the enter. See here we have created all this one. Okay, 10% for the 10 days, 4% discount, 20 days, 2% discount, 30 days. There is no discount. Okay. The next one is I will going to show you here. See, create cash discount paid account, FS00. Cash discount paid account means what? That is a loss, right? For the customer, right? Why? Because customer is selling the goods to the vendor and a vendor is gaining the cash discount. Okay, for this one, what we need to do, we will going to figure out whether the account group is there or not in the transaction code OBD4. Yeah, I'm going to the transaction code OBD4. I'm giving a chart of accounts as SAR1. Okay. You can see there is a sorry. There is no expense account group, right? So we need to create that account group. I will going to create this one. See here, what is our chart of accounts SAR1, right? No, we need to take from the drop down option only. Otherwise it will throw an error. Operating chart of accounts. I can just take expenses. Expenses here, you can just give expenses. Okay, from 200 to 2 lakh 399. I think so. Yeah, 2 lakh 200 to 2 lakh 399, and we have created. We can just go to the save button and save it. Okay. Here then just go back and go to the transaction code OBD4 only. Go to the position and here give the SAR1. Okay. See here whether it is there or not. I mean that expenses, right? No, I think so. Expenses is created, and this I mean account group is started with the 2 lakh 200 number. Okay, go to the transaction code, just 00 here. Okay, see, I'm going to create one GL account for the expenses. Okay, here 200 I think so, right? Yeah. So here see expenses is a account group, okay, as we have seen in the account groups slide. Okay, that is P&L account. Here I'm giving cash discount paid account. Okay, and the next one is cash discount. Give the brief in long text. Cash discount paid account. Okay, yeah, go to the control data and give the account currency, and here give the line item display and sort key. Sort key is 001, right? And that is posting. Go to the create bank interest and drop down in the field status group. Okay, take out 001 and go to the save and save it. The data was saved right in the expenses cash discount paid account. Okay, then what we need to do? So we need to assign this cash discount paid account in the transaction code OBXI. Okay, see here. You can just observe. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to this transaction code OBXI. Okay, give you a chart of accounts. My chart of accounts is SAR1. Okay. See, go to the posting key. You have to save the data. Then only the accounts will appear. Account assignment will appear. Okay, go to this one and here take out customer. Sorry, cash discount receive account, right? Where is the cash discount receive account? Sorry, not the cash discount receive account. It's a cash discount paid account. See here, you can just go to the save button. Assign in the short description. You can just give assign cash discount paid account. Okay. Then go to the save button and okay, then just go back. Then we have saved each and everything, right? And then next one is assign payment terms in customer master data XD02. Okay, go to this SAP and here give the transaction code XD02. That is customer master data, right? And here I'm giving the company code. I'm taking the customer. Okay. What is my customer here? I can just take anything, right? You can just take anything. Naveen is my customer. Okay, then click on the enter button and enter. Here there is a control data option and payment transaction option. Okay, this is the general data for the Naveen. Okay, and go to the company code data. Here there is a reconciliation that we have assigned, and see in the payment transaction tab, you can just observe in the payment data we have terms of payment. Previously we have created the terms of payments, right? Okay, then you need to assign this. What is your terms of payment here? SARC, right? I think so. Give the SARC here and go to the save button and save it. So the data was already saved. So we have assigned the payment terms for the customer also. Okay, in the customer master data X302. Then what we need to do is go to the transaction code FB70, that is customer invoice posting. Okay, so change your company code here. My company code is Sarah, right? And drop down this option. Here give the country and take out your customer. Who is your customer? I think Wayne, right? I think so. Where is the customer here that I have created? Give me 1 minute, Venki. Yeah, this is the customer, right? Invoice date is 01/03/2022. Okay, so here give the reference. What is the reference? 10. How much amount? Okay, how much amount that we are selling? You can just take 8 lakh rupees. Okay, here give the text selling. Okay, selling fridge. The vendor. Not the vendor, selling fridge. Okay. Just take the what we say here, sales account, right? Yeah, take out the sales account, and here amount in document currency, how much? That is 8 lakh, right? Okay, then just click on the enter. We need to give the exact data, okay, for the Naveen, right? For this I need to take the wait for 1 minute. I will going to show the exact details of the Naveen. Okay. Go to the general data tab, and address is Gandhi. Okay. And here the next one is here a street. What is the street? Gandhi Street. And the post office box is Hyderabad. Okay, and the city is Hyderabad only. And here you need to give the postal code. What is the postal code here? 50024. Okay, 50024. Okay. The reason is 01. That is located in the Andhra Pradesh only. Okay, you can just click on this one. Yeah, so this is the entry that we are posting, that is customer, right? So we are selling. Okay, so for the material that we are selling, we have one entry. So customer account data to the sales account creator. Go to the save option and save it. Then just go back. Okay, so we have posted what is that customer, not the customers, that is customer invoice only. I will again going to the this transaction code FB70. Okay, so here I will show you specify an account number. Okay, yeah, I am giving the 13 lakh, and here 01/03/2022. So when you go to this transaction code, not the transaction code, but the transaction tab, that is payment, right? So here I'm giving Mr. and money to only. Okay, and here you can just give Gandhi Street, and post office box is Hyderabad, right? And city is Hyderabad, right? And 22401. Okay, then just go back. See here, we have created the what we say payment terms for the customers. That is SARC, right? So here, if you pay the amount, I mean, if vendor, pays the amount to the customer, he will get the 4% cash discount. If vendor pays the amount within the 20 days, he will get the 2% cash discount. 30 days, there is no cash discount for the particular person. Okay, that is vendor. So I'm giving you the basic example. In the business, it will not like this only. So customer will be the different and vendor will be the different. All right, then just go back. So we have another scenario, that is what we say, if vendor is also a customer, if customer is also a vendor, in that scenario payment terms will be the exact scenario, okay, to explain you. So basic understanding you need to get, you will get after these configurations. Okay. Then what we need to do here, we have posted the invoice for the how much amount. If you want to see that amount, you can just go to the transaction code FBL finance line item display of customer. Okay, whatever the open items that are there, 8 lakhs is the open item. The document number is 303. Okay, then just go back and clear that amount. Okay, 28. So what is document date here? Just give. Here you can just give the reference number also. Give in payment. Okay. Then just give the incoming payment here. See, and the next one is account. How much account that is? What is that account? You can just ICICI Bank, take out ICICI Bank. How much the amount is? 8 lakh, right? Yes, 8 lakh, and value date is 01/03/2022. Okay, give the text also. Incoming payment. Okay, then go to the account also. Here give the IN. Okay, so we are receiving the payment. Okay, to whom? For the particular customer, and he will going to bear some cash discount to the vendor. I will show you at the end of the session. Go to the process open items. See here, the vendor is paying the amount within the 10 days. The cash discount is 4%, right? So 8 lakhs into 4%, 8 lakh into 4 divided by 100, that is 32,000 cash discount that we are, okay, paying. Okay, that is cash discount paid, right, to the particular vendor. Okay, go to the charge of difference. What is the charge of difference? 7,68,000. Go to the charge of difference. Click on ICICI Bank. Here, 7,68,000, right? 68,000. Okay. Go to the process open items. See here. Amount entered 7,68,000. Assign 7,68,000, and the total amount is the due amount is 0. We don't have any due amounts, right? Go to the document button and here simulate. Yeah, so we have the entry, right? So debit means what comes in, credit means what goes out. Okay, see here, cash discount paid. Okay, how much is the cash discount? So we have cash discount paid is 32,000. Okay, so ICICI Bank is for the vendor. So vendor is going to get the cash discount, that is 32,000 only. Okay, this is very important scenario for you, and it will take some time to understand if vendor is also a customer, if customer is also a vendor. So based on the scenario only, I have told you about this one. I mean, like payment terms for the customers, payment terms for the vendors. Okay, so here what I need to do is go to the save button and save it. I will also show you the document also. Document display is like this only. Okay, so here whatever you don't understand, you can just ask me about this one. Okay, yeah, see, Venki, here uh, you are the customer, I am the vendor. Okay, I have buy the goods from you only. Okay, so you are giving the cash discount. So cash discount means what for you? It's a cash discount paid, right? That is loss, right? Okay, what goes out, what comes in is nothing important. Okay, it's not at all important. First of all, what goes out is very important. Here, cash discount paid, you are paying the cash discount, okay, to the particular vendor like me. So that is 32,000. Okay, so here the main amount the vendor will going to pay is 7,68,000 rupees only. Okay, so 32,000 he or she has got the cash discount. So for you, it's a cash discount paid. Okay, then go to the back option. Okay, so this is about the payment terms configurations for the customer with cash discount. Okay, and try to analyze the situation, and if you have any doubts, you can just come back to me and ask. One thing I will going to show you, that is FPL5N. Here you can just execute. So no items are there, open items. Okay, just click on the cleared items and click on. See here, 8 lakhs we have cleared. Okay. Dear, that is customer invoice. DZ, that is customer payment. Let's just go back and please try to follow all those videos that I have told you. And training is very important when it comes to the interview preparation only. That is also very important. So we will take the mock sessions for you also, and also we will give the interview questions, and you can just practice with that one and come back to me. And please tell me about the implementation projects, support projects, and also roll-up projects. I have already given you, right? I mean, those subject for the implementation subject, and also sorry, support and role project. Okay, you can just read all those one. Again, we will I will come up with another session, that is installment payments with the cash discounts. Okay, until then, take care and bye.